Alright, welcome back everyone. So we will be kickstarting off a new series of videos for Rust, and this is part of a tutorial series for the absolute beginner. Yeah, so we'll try to make it as easy as possible for you to pick up and learn Rust. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started right away. Alright, so first up, we need to set up or install Rust, right? So if you're on Mac like me, or if you're on Linux, yeah, to install Rust, right, go to your terminal, which we are here right now, right? Type in curl --proto, right, equals to https and --tlsv version, right, 1.2, https, right, followed by sh rust up, yeah, .rs, and a -s, and a big S, and a small f, right, followed by sh, yeah. So enter this command and Rust should start to download and install. Okay, I have already done so we won't do that again. Okay, and once you're done, okay, you should see something along the lines of saying, hey, Rust is installed now. Great. Yeah, you should see something along the lines of this. Yeah. Okay, so in addition to doing that, right, you will also need a linker. Okay, we won't get into the details of what a linker is. Okay, but to use Rust properly, you need a linker. Yeah, so on Mac OS, go to your terminal once again and type in xcode, select, right, and dash install. Yeah. On Linux, you can either install GCC or Clank. Yeah. Alright, so if you're not on Mac or Linux, if you're on Windows, right, go over to this URL here, rust-lang.org. Right, do not worry because I will put the link in either the description box below or in the pinned comment. Yeah, so if you're on Windows, right, follow the steps here. Yeah, just follow the steps here. Alright, let's go back to terminal. Alright, so to check if you have installed Rust properly, right, in your terminal, type in rust c --version. Yeah, and you should see something similar to what we are looking at right now, right? Rust C and the version of Rust. Yeah. Alright, so now that we have verified you have installed Rust, as most Rust programmers or Rust stations, as what we are called, right, we use Cargo, right, as the de facto build system and package manager. Yeah, so speaking about package managers, if you're coming from a web development perspective, right, it should be something similar to you. Yeah, so for Rust, we use Cargo, right, and Cargo should have been installed, right, automatically when you were installing Rust previously, yeah, in our previous step, yeah. So to check if we have Cargo installed properly, right, same thing, we can type in cargo --version, yeah, and you'll see that we have Cargo 1.68.0 installed, and it is very, very easy to create a new project using Cargo. Yeah, so to do so, okay, we will type in cargo new, we'll say new underscore project. Yeah, so new underscore project is the name of our project. Yeah, so enter and Cargo will create a new project, right, for you, a new Rust project. Yeah, so let's go into it and let's see what is created in it. Yeah, so cd new project and let's take a look at it in VS Code. Alright, so now we are in VS Code, and if we take a look to the left, right, above me, you'll see that Cargo has generated a few files, right, mainly main.rs with the main function here that is called when you run this project. Okay, and it also came with a default Git, right, repo, and of course a log file, and a tom file, right? So this cargo.toml tom, right? If you are coming, once again, if you are coming from a web development perspective, it is very, very similar to your package.json, right? So over here, we have the name of your project, the version, the edition. And over here, same thing, you can add any dependencies you want, yeah, for your Rust project. Yeah. So to run this Rust project, yeah. Okay, let's go back to terminal again. Yeah, and once again, we're going to use the cargo command, right? So to run that new project that we have just created, okay, we can do cargo run. Yeah. So using cargo run, right, we will call Rust to build the project once and then run it, and you can see that, okay, hello world is printed out. Yeah. So for example, if we go back to the code again, and if we change this to hello new project, right? And we save that. And if we go back to terminal, and once again, if we do cargo run, right, you can see the changes happen there after running it. Yeah. All right. So that's it for this video. Okay. We will try to keep it as short as possible and as easy to learn and pick up as possible. Right. So next we'll touch on variables and mutability in the next tutorial for our absolute beginner to Rust series. Yeah. So as always, stay awesome and stay safe. Cheers, man.